Oh, no!
Oh! That's a scary accident. Look at Prix, he lost the rear. He was correcting from the moment he touched the brakes. That's something you wouldn't get away with on a traditional street course. So yeah. Robin's finding the limits.
What's Robin Prix done? He hasn't spun again, has he? No.
That curb just here caught the left front of the car.
Was he going for attack mode here?
Possibly, yes. Yeah.
And so that could, so obviously he missed it. Here's a look at Antonio Felix da Costa in the BMW.
Late rear locking. He braked very late. You could see the weight transfer with how late he braked. But he didn't go down the escape road. He actually went across the grass and kept it flat out.
That's not going to help matters as well, but right.
Traffic again. He had to get offline onto the dirty part of the track.
At the full 200. Whoa! Little snap on the way in. Got it in.
Lit. Yep, absolutely. Look at this moment from the cockpit.
Fastest first sector of anyone this afternoon for Nelson Piquet in the Jaguar.
Oh no! Bit too much oversight, too early on the throttle, the rear broke away.
So this was Piquet getting Larry into 6.
He gets in okay, now watch. There, right when he gets to the throttle. Oh, that was close to the Tech Pro barrier. And we'll see it from the other angle. Watch his hands. There we go. Well held. At the back, there's so much going on with Evan. As we see Robin French making contact with the Dragon.
Yeah, Frank's tired to turn in. I think it was Lopez that he's collided with there.
Yeah, this is all the way alongside.
And Lopez just turned into him.
Right, that's just misjudgment of the length of the nose of the car. There was nothing, again, nothing malicious. He just made a misjudgment.
Here we go. Felipe Nasr. Does he get a little tap?
Yes, he does. A little Neo.
I think that'll be Turvey.
Turvey, yeah.
Yep. Turned him. No.
There he is.
Back of the net.
It's just...
there's chaos. Absolute chaos. Alexander Sims involved. It looked as though there was Jaguar debris in there. Oh, and there is. And that is Nelson Piquet. And Nelson Piquet in the Jaguar has had a very big accident. On board with him.
This is him through turn 12 actually, so he's coming through 13 now.
So he looks to the inside.
Oh wow, got airborne. When you've got airborne like that, you have no brakes, trust me, I know.
Here's a look at it again. Keep your eyes to the right-hand side. Piquet went to the inside. Vern came across to cover it.
Wow, that's a big hit. A side slap as well. That really can damage the bones and the pelvis. And
how did Sims get involved? Did he just get wiped out by Vern?
Let's see how late the defence is from John Ernst. Look at him looking in his mirror, and he just keeps coming across. And there's the contact. Now, as we pointed out pre-race,
and there's Sims getting hit.
As we pointed out pre-race, the driver cannot see. That's a scary accident.
That was rubber-to-rubber contact.
Had one of those, it didn't end well.
And that always leads to a launch.
Here's what happened with Vern. Oh, he's been nerfed by Mitch Evans. Evans was in attack mode, and only saw the end of that, really. Here we go again. They're right together. Oh, Evans has lost it. Evans has tried to go to the inside. The back end's getting away from him. But that's the challenge of going for the attack mode and just getting it ever so slightly wrong.
Because his teammate, they touched.
Roland hitting with his teammate, and now they are both out of race win contention. Here comes Verline out of the final corner. He hits 0. De Grassi wins.